go epya leriba la noka yeo e omilego mafelelong meetsa ile a bonala e fela go šetše go le mengwaga e 14 badudi ba itemogela tlhotlo ye ba ka se sa gotlelela ba re go lokile go lekane
We want water. It's been long since we were promised water. We have been suffering for far too long.
Project, 14 years.
It's been 14 years we've been waiting for the water project to bring us water.
Badudi ba re ba beile tshepo projekeng ya go aba meetse ka Giyani e fela dipompi di tswa moya.
They were distancing themselves from coming to respond, to say what exactly is happening. And we also took it upon ourselves with the community to say, because the relevant people that were supposed to give us answers, they are hiding. Let us go to the street.
Gore meetse le kelela tshila e re ga go botlhokwa ba ditshupetso ka ge mošomo wa projeke o tsene fase.
We believe that there is no need for the shutdown as work is ongoing, and even at the beginning of September, the refurbishment of this existing waterworks has begun.
Projeke se tšere mašeleng a go lekana dibilione tše 4 tša diranta gomme badudi ga bana tshepo.
What we suspect is causing the delay from this project. It's looting. It seems like everyone who needs money to do anything in their organization, they come to Giyani because they say the Giyani people or the Batsonga-speaking people are kind and humble, which is true, but we're tired.
Badudi ba re ba tla tswela pele ka ditshupetso go fihlela ba kgoro ya meetse le kelela tshile ba saena lengwalo la go itlama.